Hello, in this explain that this is a tutorial on how to resize your photo to fit on Instagram without any cropping at all. So let's get started. First and foremost, open up any third-party software. In this case, we're going to use up Canva. It's a very simple and easy process, as you can only just create a custom size one and just set it by 4 by 5, as this is the most common size or proportions in Instagram posting. So just select your picture that you need to post and just fill it out. This will only make the background white or any other color that you want. But that's about it. Just so easy and simple. And we're going to save the image after we're done. After saving the image, you need to download it onto your mobile phone. And after selecting your file extension and where it's going to be saved, open up your Instagram now, and then just take out the good old type of method in creating a post. In here, just press on the plus icon and then select on the picture that we already created, and just do whatever you want, and that's about it. Wait for it to be posted, and that's how to do when resizing your photo to fit on Instagram without any cropping at all.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.